Hi, I'm Howard Glazer, and I'm here with Larry Clark, who's the Director of Clinical Affairs for Pulpdent, and abracadabra, you've come up with Presto, Larry. What is this?
Well, you know, in all the work we did with ACTIVA Bioactive, we learned how to make it into a light cure only product, so it's like a composite material. So,
wow.
And we've learned a lot in these last 6 years of bioactivity to bring this product to market.
Look what you did.
Yeah.
You gave me a single syringe.
Yeah.
Squirt and shoot technology,
Easy
man. I'm
to
loving
use.
this.
What's your favorite aspect?
Well, my favorite aspect is I can work with pediatric patients, I can work with geriatric patients, because you gave me 2 new shades to help me with my geriatric. They're just bigger kids.
Yeah, just like us.
Right.
We have an A4 and we have an A6 shade that no one else has, and it blends so beautifully because of the calcium phosphate nature of the material.
Yeah, but go back to what really intrigues me on this. It's the biomimicry.
That's right.
You know, the constant recharge release of calcium, phosphate, fluoride, everything that's lost in the decay process, I'm truly restoring the tooth now.
That's right.
I'm not just repairing it.
Yeah, it's acting just like a tooth. It's giving off and taking back ions.
And it has that
time.
flexural strength that you're well known for.
Yeah,
you know, which is great. So the toughness is there, the brittleness is taken care of. It's strong on the margins. It won't break on the margins. Man, I'm having fun with this product. This is great.
Well, a lot of people are going to start having fun in January when it hits the market. So we're really excited.
Well, here at Dental Economics, we like being ahead of the curve, Larry. So help us to do that. And just remember, when you look at Presto, there's no magic in it. The magic is in your hands. You can create beautiful restorations.
That's right.